Kareem's cousin get shot.
What? Am I right? He's not dead.
No, he's not dead. He's in the hospital stable right. But which one get the shot and set my quickly?
No, so Mr. Kareem take it. How look at Mr. deal with that?
Them a cope, you know? Them a try.
Oh no, sir. So I go look for them one of them days, yeah. So, yeah, what cause him to get shot?
You know, say, our long time beef just catch up back on him, you know.
Eh? So I'm a bad man. Hey, you know, say the first time I saw a boy they put on my shop, I'm a swear, say rob him that rob the shop. Boy look like any criminal. I said the boy have a kerchief and everything. I must out a screaming, baby. I be frightened.
The truth is, he might try to change his life. And right as he might try to change his life, them time they that are the sad part.
Not sad for you, God, the boy that did nice things. Sound like cute. Me, I don't say drum here, man. You know that, right? I don't say the ornament for me. Oh, babe. You look like you seriously I took you. You didn't know him in a real life like that?
You know, say, I really because the way how Tony and take it, that mash her up.
Must look like some mash you up too. You know, you can mash up. Feel like when I want to cheer up right now, you ever be on a swing?
I mean, that's when me. That not steady.
Yeah, you gotta find out tonight. Come! Babe, come on, man. I'm done. Let's dance. Dance, buddy. See, you can warm up. It can work. It can work.
I just this at
Hello. Background reach, I'm going to read.
0 now.
Sheldon, I'm lonely. I'm lonely, Sheldon. Oh. That's why I take up your phone and voice note my bag, please. If you get better, when you get better, you're going to run Tasha. That's why I listen to my stuff that you said you're going to run Tasha. So, I go, alright, you're my best friend. I don't need them. And you alone, I need it, Sheldon. And the baby need it too, okay? So I'm being optimistic and everything. I'm going to smile right now because I know you're going alright. Okay, baby, I love you.
Imagine, you really say, when we get them and put with that bag of mango and put it in front of your nose and you recognize where we're going?
And me get them for? Thanks.
Babes, won't you? Because you don't seem to be a certain.
Nothing. I just feel a little out of it. Maybe because my period in here.
You sure?
Yeah, baby. I'm sure.
Alright. Hello? Yes, this is Kareem Thompson. Who is this? What?
advice now. Father God, please cover me, Father God, and take away everything that's happening right now. Father, put everything in your hands and my baby father will be fine. Thank you, dear Jesus. Sheldon, my dreams are one girl like it. I'm gonna get some teddy bear. I'm gonna start set up our house and I come over here.